It's a Deadpool, a hit list of supernatural creatures.
How do they even know about me?
I know about everyone.
Guys, these are professional killers. It's their profession.
Hello, Sean. I just killed your family.
Who the hell is that? What are you, like a were cheetah? Does that even exist? Is that a thing? You think he's hot, don't you?
No. Maybe. Yeah, maybe a little.
Is someone in there gonna die?
Yes. And it's not just a feeling.
Big fancy guns. Assassins. And not one of you can answer the simplest question.
I don't want to keep watching people die.
I'm not sure you have much choice about that.
I can't see anything. What's happening to us?
We've learned a better way.
I'm a creature of habit.
Go get that son of a bitch.
Teen Wolf, season premiere, Monday, June 23rd at 10.